I get it, you're busy and you don't have the time or the attention span to sit down with a textbook and learn Spanish. But don't worry, I have 9 apps that will help you master Spanish while having fun. Starting with Learn Spanish for Beginners. As the name implies, if you're just getting started with Spanish, this is a fantastic jumping off point. Starting out with the alphabet, this app teaches you Spanish through different themes, and then tests for you to be sure you've got all the vocabulary learned and locked in your head. Since this app is meant for beginners, the vocabulary list is rather short. Once you've mastered it, you can move on to more advanced apps such as FluentU. FluentU is an app that takes fun, real-world videos and turns them into interactive lessons. It has a giant catalog of videos such as movie clips, TV scenes, YouTube sketches, and music videos so that you can learn Spanish how it's actually spoken. While you're watching your favorite videos, all you have to do is click on a word to see its full definition and to watch other videos where it is used in context. This way, you'll never get lost while watching a video. And after watching, you can easily quiz yourself on these words, including speaking questions where you can talk to the app and it'll correct your pronunciation so you can really speak like a native. If you want to learn authentic Spanish, you can find a link to a free trial for FluentU available in the description. I recommend it to all of my students. FunEasyLearn 6,000 Words. This app focuses on gamifying your language learning. You can choose the topics or subtopics you want to focus on and then choose which game you want to play to memorize those words. These games feature words at both normal and slow down speed, so it's perfect for beginners. The app also tracks your progress, so you can always see how far you are into the 6,000 words in the app system. Mango Languages. Mango Languages is a great tool for learning conversational Spanish. In each lesson, the app teaches you a practical, real-world phrase that you would use in a day-to-day conversation, breaking down the meaning so that you understand every single word. But where this app really shines is with its review feature. For each sentence that you learn, the app creates a flashcard and will quiz you every day using a spaced repetition system. And as a cherry on top, this app is free through many public libraries. But if you're looking for an app where you can use these phrases in a real conversation, you definitely should check out Tandem. This language exchange app connects you with users who speak the language you want to speak. That way, you can chat with new friends while learning your target language. So for instance, you can connect with someone who speaks Spanish and you can teach them English while they teach you Spanish. To make your experience as smooth as possible, the app asks you a few questions about what you want to learn and from who to match you with the best fit possible. Of course, this app doesn't have as much structured learning. So if you want to learn specific vocab, you might be better off with our next app, EasyTen. As the name implies, this is a fairly simple app. You select your native language and your target language, and you select 10 words from a group of cards to learn every day. You can scroll through your words, see examples for them, and hear how they sound. Once you've memorized each word, you take a quiz to make sure you've got them all down. There's even a social element where you can compete with your friends to get the highest possible score. But if you're into puzzles, you're better off with our next app, PixWords. This app is all about solving crosswords. The clues are pictures and you need to figure out what word in Spanish matches it. If you get stuck, the app provides some hints to help you out. PixWords is ideal for intermediate and advanced learners, as you do need an extensive vocabulary for it to be good practice. VerbForms Español. This is a great reference point for Spanish learners regardless of learning level. This app has an alphabetical list of Spanish verbs and their meanings. Search for the verb you want and you can find it along with its full conjugation. You can also listen to them thanks to the app's audio feature. As the title suggests, this app is focused on verbs, so you'll need to head elsewhere for other grammar. For example, WordPower. WordPower has a ton of different features, including courses that feature categories with word lists, sentences, and flashcards. They also come with audio playback. The app has both free and paid versions, but apps aren't the only way to learn Spanish on the move. For a bunch of other resources, check out our video on how to learn Spanish on the go. Thanks for watching and happy language learning!